In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to apply a credit note to a bill in Xero step by step. If you've received a supplier credit and you're wondering how to correctly reduce what you owe inside Xero, this is the simple process you need to follow. Applying credit notes properly keeps your accounts accurate and ensures your supplier balances reflect the correct amounts. I'll walk you through everything from locating the credit note to allocating it against an open bill. And if you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Business. From the drop-down options, select Bills to Pay. This will take you to the Bills Overview screen where you can see all supplier bills, including drafts, awaiting approval, and awaiting payment. Next, click on the Awaiting Payment tab. This is important because credit notes that have been approved but not yet allocated will typically appear here. Look through the list for a document that shows a negative balance or is clearly labeled as a credit note. Credit notes stand out because instead of increasing what you owe, they reduce the total payable to that supplier. Once you've located the correct credit note, click on the supplier's name associated with that credit. This will open the full credit note details page. Take a moment to confirm that the credit note amount and supplier details are correct before applying it. Now, to apply the credit to an open bill, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the Credit Note Options button. From the drop-down menu, select Allocate Credit. This opens the allocation screen where you can choose which outstanding bill you want to apply the credit against. You'll now see a list of all open bills for that specific supplier. Each bill will show the original amount due and the remaining balance. In the Amount to Credit box next to the bill you want to reduce, type in the amount you'd like to apply. You can apply the full credit amount to one bill or split it across multiple bills if needed, as long as the total allocated does not exceed the available credit. After entering the correct amount, double-check your figures to make sure everything looks right. This step is important because once the credit is allocated, it will automatically reduce the outstanding balance of that bill. When you're ready, click the green Allocate Credit button at the bottom of the screen. Xero will instantly apply the credit to the selected bill. You'll now see that the bill's balance has been reduced, and if the credit fully covered the bill, the status will update accordingly. And that's it. You've successfully applied a credit note to a bill in Xero. This process ensures your supplier balances stay accurate, and your accounts payable reports reflect the true amount owed. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss more easy Xero tutorials designed to save you time and keep your bookkeeping clean and accurate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.